guys, I'm Luciano, and about 3 years ago, here in Long Center, Austin, Texas, I rolled down this entire thing. And today, I'm here to do it again. So, let's go. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more of this content, please subscribe, and if you think this video was worth a like, drop a like because it shows us you want to see more of this. So, thank you for watching.